Hey, what's up? My name's Chase, and today I'm going to show you how to create a silhouette in Photoshop. I already have a picture of my friend open here. I'm going to use the wand tool to select the background. I'm going to hold the shift button and click on all of the extra areas that weren't selected. Now I'm going to inverse the selection by going to Select, Inverse. Clicking on the Path menu next to the Layer menu, I'm going to open the menu, hit Make Work Path, click OK. We're going to double click on the work path to save it. I'm going to call it Path 1. Click OK. And then down here at the very bottom, there's a button that we're going to press called Add Path as a Selection. We're going to click that, and it's going to select the area that we had made a path from, which is my friend. We're going to hit the Layer menu, double click on the background, save it as whatever name you'd like. I'm going to save it as Layer 1. Click OK. And then we're going to add a layer mask to that one layer by clicking Add Layer Mask, and it's going to delete everything that was in the background that we had previously selected and inversed. So you can see all of this dead space behind my friend here. To get it back to a white background, we're going to go Layer and Flatten Image. You can also take that path that we had created and load that in InDesign or Illustrator as well. My name's Chase, and I showed you how to make a silo in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.